Hello and welcome back to my channel Dr. Rutuja Illuminate. In this video, we are going to study about the course Human Resource Management, Employee Management and HRM Practices. This course is specially designed for BBA students of second year, third semester under Savitribai Phule Pune University. I am Dr. Rutuja and throughout this course, we will learn about what is human resource management, employee management, and what are human resource management practices. In this video, I'll give you a brief explanation about what is the course all about. So let's begin our journey towards the world of human resource management. Moving further, now let's understand what we are going to learn in this course through course objective. The first objective here, you will understand what is human resource management, why it is important in today's organization, and you will also learn how HR is no longer just about hiring the employee and how HR contributes directly towards the business success. In second objective, you will understand all major functions of HR like recruitment, selection, training, employee development, performance management. These functions help organization to hire right people and improve employee performance. In the third objective, you will learn about modern HR practices that are digital HR, employee engagement, workplace ethics, diversity and inclusion. Today's HR professional use various technologies and data to make better decisions. So, in the third objective, we will understand what are the modern HR practices. Moving towards the fourth objective, under this we will understand how technology is changing HR. You will learn what is online recruitment, HR analytics, AI in HR, digital learning platforms. So, how HR technologies are involved in today's day-to-day world, we will understand in this course. Fifth objective is to develop practical HR skills. Here we will study what are the practical situations, business scenarios, examples, case studies, so that our focus will not only on theoretical but also on the real life examples in a organization. Now let's go with course structure. This course is divided into 4 units. So let's quickly understand it one by one. The first unit, the first unit focus on talent acquisition and onboarding of employee life cycle. In this unit, you will study 6 sub points. The first one is overview and significance of human resource management in today's dynamic business environment. Second, you will study strategic role of human resource in achieving organization competitiveness. Third, you will study what is recruitment. Here under recruitment, you will study what meaning, definition, what are the factors, what are the process, sources, and modern methods of recruitment. In the fourth point, you will study selection, under which you will study what is the selection process, what are the methods, and what are the key factors that are influencing selection decision. In the fifth point, we'll study onboarding and induction. Here we'll cover objective, process, and prerequisites of effective integration. In the sixth point, we'll study emerging recruitment technology and analytics in talent acquisition. In second unit, you are going to learn about training, development, and talent management. Under this unit also, you are going to study four sub point, in which the first point you are going to study is training and development. Why the training is done, what are training need assessment, what are the methods, and what are the effective training evaluation methods, etc. will study under this point. In second point, you are going to study of career planning and development. What are the stages of career planning and fostering internal mobility? In the third point, we are going to study about talent management. And in the fourth, we are going to study about role of HR technology in learning and development. Moving towards third unit. In this unit, we are going to study about compensation, performance management, and employee retention. Under this unit, we are going to study about five different subpoints. This unit focuses on first one is compensation management. We all know that compensation is very important. So, what are different types of pay structure? What are the components of compensation? What are the factors which influence employee compensation? In the second point, we are going to study about employee benefits. Those are incentives, fringe benefits, and non-monetary rewards. In third point, we are going to study about performance management. Here under performance management, we are going to study about various method of performance management. Under fourth point, that is retention strategy. Here we are going to study about employee branding, career growth pathways, work-life balance, and employee value proposition. Under fourth point, we are going to study about succession planning. Here we identify and groom future leader. Under fifth point, we are going to study about application of HR analytics in performance tracking and compensation decision. Under fourth unit, we are going to study about employee engagement, ethics, and emerging trends in HRM. This fourth unit cover again four subpoints. The first point is employee engagement, under which we are going to study about strategies for fostering employee engagement. What are the major key drivers? What are the major main tools? Under second point, we are going to study what is job satisfaction. As we all know that job satisfaction is very important. Under this, we are going to study what is job satisfaction, meaning, definition, factors, advantage, and measures to increase job satisfaction. Third point covers ethics in HRM. Under this point, we will focus on principles of fairness, equity, transparency, and handling ethical dilemma. Under fourth point, we are going to study contemporary HR practices, under which we are going to study about managing and freelancing workforce, remote and hybrid work model, diversity, equity, and inclusion initiative. In our next lecture, we will start with our first unit, that is talent acquisition and onboarding. So, let's quickly revise what we saw in today's lecture. We learned what is course objective, what is course structure, and what are course importance. Thank you for watching this lecture. If you found this video helpful, please like and share this with your classmate, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. In next lecture, we will begin with our first unit. Thank you again. See you in the next class. And most importantly, Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will not miss the upcoming lectures videos. Thank you again.